Alright, so if you have this stuff set up right, it should be in the sound bank and it should look like this. So from the events folder, you'll want to drag the event into a sound bank. After right clicking, pressing new child, and click sound bank, you'll want to click that, go to events, put that, the whole event that goes in there. Yeah, it's the whole event after you click add. Then you want to go to details. If you can see the details, it should be done, or if you can see it in edit. So I'll do that one more time. You want to go to Soundbank, right click, new child, Soundbank, go to add verse, go to events, click the sound that you need. It should be in the Soundbank. See the sound. And from audio, it's all like just click import the audio file that you need, put it into the events, right click, go to event, go back to here, add the sound into the event, and from there go from here, add the sound bank, add the event into the sound bank. Window and Wwise browser to load it all in. After that, go to content browser, right click, press blueprint class, go to actor, double click on it, click event graph, right click, search for post event. And then you want to configure, save it. Then you should just be able to drag it into the level from your content browser. Mine's right there. It's already been dragged into the level. Right there. Sometimes you'll need to go to window and details to see things, so just click the details. And this is what you would need to do in Wwise to get it working. Just make sure whenever you get a blueprint class, you just go to right click in the content browser, go to blueprint, click blueprint class, and then click actor or whichever one you need. And then from there you can drag it into the level, double click it in the content browser, go to event graph, and then that's how you get all that stuff in there to make a sound for your level and start sound designing for your level. Alright, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell. This right here is how you can get sounds from Wwise into Unreal. Go to the Wwise browser, make sure your sound is seeable under events, which will be under default work unit, which would be your event. that you load into here. You might need to generate the sound banks. So within Wwise, you'll have to configure Wwise with Unreal. You have to open it up, make sure it's configured with it. It should be a little selection or section of how to configure it within Wwise really easily, or not in Wwise, Wwise really easily. Just press generate sound bank after you have everything configured within the program. You might need to